Guys, we come back to with a new video for our off days paratha eating. So last time we went to another Pakistani restaurant for eating a new paratha. So we tasted, but with new design. We tasted, but the taste isn't good as we expected. That's why we come back to our old location. And this paratha is massive. You can see. So now we know the actual value of this paratha right now after eating the previous paratha. Yes. I know, bro. Sort by telling us that he started making some idea about the gaming from ChatGPT. Ah, okay. Idea is belongs to him, but approved by ChatGPT. Yeah. Let's see. Inshallah, we will make that happen very soon, and you will get that game on Play Store. Is it computer or is it phone? PC, mobile. Ah, okay. All right, all right. We will see about that one.
On my website also, you can pay online.
He has a website in OnlyFans. You will get that game link on description. Oh, this is amazing paratha. You guys should come here and try it. We are not a food blogger, just a daily blogger. But still, we are rating this 10 out of what? 10 out of 8. According to our sort of mouth test. Gob, gob, gob. Should I start a video in English? Because I try the video editing apps in auto caption. They can put auto caption very nicely in English. In Hindi, it's not properly done.
That's why you're talking in English.
Yes. And I want my video to reach in America, UA, Europe.
Trump?
No, no, no. In Emma Watson.
Centralist.
Generalist? Generalist नहीं मालूम?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know? Chat. Tell him who is Centralist.
Generalist? What is that? Is it a movie?
You will know
Harry Potter?
when this video reach to her.
Sorry, Emma Watson, you are my crush, but I don't know what is the meaning of Centralist. Is it a movie or any character name? Let us know on comment section, or you can DM me personally. I don't mind. So guys, our breakfast is now going to done. We will come back very soon. Bye, take care.